Oh Lord. So you're gonna make the vlog again.
Always, always.
About 3 years ago, I bought a bike because I wanted to ride around in London, especially when the weather is really good, and save money on public transportation because I take the bus and the tube like everywhere I go. So I got this bike about 3 years ago, rode everywhere, rode to work, rode to band rehearsal, went everywhere I could. And then one day I got a flat tire, repaired it, everything went good, but I chained my bike up, and the next day I went to get my bike and the lock was stuck. And I tried a couple times and then I literally gave up trying to get my bike free. That was about 2 years ago. So I've now moved to a new place. I don't know if my bike is still there. So I'm gonna go now and see if I still have a bike. Hopefully it's still chained to the staircase I left it at. If it is, I'm gonna take it, probably get it fixed because it's probably like really damaged by now. If not, too bad. If it is there, probably sell it or just start using it again. So let's hope it's there. Pretty much walk everywhere. Well, if I'm not taking the bus or the underground, I like to walk, and it's a really lovely day today, so why not take advantage of it? So we just got here. This is my old building. They always had like this code to enter to get inside. I don't know if they changed the code, but we're gonna see right now. Alright, let's see if I can remember this. It's here still. Alright. It looks like so messed up. This tire is flat. There's loads of cobweb. Let's see what we could do. Basically just stole my own bike. I feel like a crook. I have no idea what to do with my old lock. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna throw it away. Where are the bins? So the bins used to be right here, and they're not there anymore. No bins anywhere.
Sorry?
The bins that used to be lined up on the side there, do you know where they are now? Alright, here we go. Done. I'm heading to the bike shop now. There's one just around the corner from where I live, and I'm going to see how much it's going to cost to get this thing fixed, and if it's too much I'm going to sell it. If it's alright, I'll just repair it and get my bike back and maybe start riding around London again. It's been too long. Alright, here we are. This is it. So I just want to see what I could do with it, if it makes sense repairing or just get rid of it.
You're probably looking around 130 quid.
130 pounds.
Yeah, I'll show you the second-hand range.
Alright, no worries.
But we've got quite a few different bikes. This one here is 249.
199, okay.
And then that one I think is 229 for
I brought the bike here. It needs quite a bit of fixing up.
the black one.
I think so. What's the other, is there anything else around that same price range?
No.
I do think it makes more sense getting a new bike versus just like repairing this one. But I change my mind all the time, so we'll see what happens. Gonna do a test ride. It's really nice. It's really good. Look at it. There we are. I want it. But the thing is, I don't have any space at my new flat to like have a bike, and I'm not sure about there's like bike lockers, but I don't know how those bike lockers are working yet. So I think I'm gonna have to leave this, but I kind of like, well, I like it, so I know what kind of bike I might want to go for. I'm gonna go to another store and see if I could sell the one I have, probably get like, 40 quid or something for it, and then when I'm ready to get the bike, I know where to find it. Yeah, I don't know if I want to spend £140 right now when it's winter time. I doubt I'm going to be riding that much. Let's see if I can get this thing sold and get some extra money. I still haven't made it to the bike shop because I just had a meeting on Skype. I'm now heading to the bike shop to see if I can get this bike sold. I hope it's still open, and then I have to rush off to go to the Big Apple in Brixton for our last minute Christmas lime.
Empty bottles and the change.
£2 deposit.
All the empty bottles and the change, won't we, Richard?
I've got to go and do this test. Is it half past?
It's
Almost.
yeah, just over.
Yeah, I better go and do it. Oh, my brain is still fresh.
Before the Guinness hit.
Yeah.
Alright, this is me.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
No problem,
thanks.
mate. No problem, mate.
Alright, Merry Christmas, man.
Yeah, have a
Cool,
nice
cool,
one.
cool.
Yeah, all the best, yeah.
Alright then. That's it. We are out. Instead of spending like £130, I'm gonna spend just about 25 quid, £25, maybe £50 maximum to get my bike repaired, which is a whole lot better, and I can still sell it afterwards. I don't use the bike often enough to have to buy a new bike, you know what I mean? So I'd rather just repair it for a good price. Hopefully it's a good job and I'll have a bike again. That's sorted. Now we have to head to the Big Apple in Brixton for our last minute Christmas party. Christmas jumper, ready to roll.
Let's go! Johnny Walker in my party cup. Drinking Appleton till the sun come up. Small of ice make me feel so nice. Give me 2 Red Bull and plenty ice. Jose make me feel so good. 1919 when I'm in the mood. Bartender, screwdriver, more vodka. What is that for?
Welcome to Brixton Big Apple.
Hey, we drinking rum and Guinness all night. Hey, in the club with a bottle of vodka, I make me feel so right. Hey, we drinking rum and Guinness all night.
Everybody, Happy New Year. Big up. Happy New Year. Happy next year.
So this is an awesome venue, real best. It used to be a beach thing and it's now this Christmas Big Apple New York looking thing. I'm gonna show you around the venue. You might hear me very well because it's really loud, but I'm gonna show you everything, show you like there's like a club room, there are stalls, bars, and just people. It's like a really nice place. So if you've never been here, you need to come. I'm gonna take you on a tour. Yeah.
Join by the bar, now order up. Got a lime in your hand, don't squeeze it up. Take a little bit of salt, put it on this spot. Now come on everybody, do a body shot.
So I'm gonna show you the food stalls now.
Shot line, shot line.
Party done. It's time to go home.
Son, what we drinking?